Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing this gorgeous look with the Smoke and Roses palette. I'm going on a date today with my 12-year-old granddaughter. So if you'd like to see how I created this look and hear a little bit of chit-chatty, then you know what to do. Just keep on watching. So guys, if you are new here, welcome. My name is Belinda. I am a self-taught makeup artist here on YouTube. I like to do reviews, unboxings, tutorials, skincare videos, and once in a while I will put a cooking video in. So if that sounds like something that you are interested in, then please hit subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss an upload. Now let's get into this tutorial. So how is everybody doing? I'm doing good. Just got up early because me and my granddaughter are going to go out for the day, my oldest. I'm going to start out with the Gerard Clean Canvas Eye Base in Fair. There will be a link in the description for anything that I use Gerard Cosmetics. So I promised her, she's actually going to come and stay with me for 2 days. So we're going to go out. She wants that Stranger Things Starbucks drink, so we're going to get that. And we're going to pick up some nail polish. Maybe do each other's nails tonight. Just spending time together. But I hope everybody has been doing good. The first color I'm going to go in with is Alone. This one right here. You know, nothing big. I'm just going to do a little eye look. Still no update on the purse. I've just about give up on it. But I can tell you what, I don't think I'll ever lose another purse. Never have lost one before. Never lost a wallet. Never lost a phone. Knock on wood. Surprised the dogs didn't bark, but yeah, I don't think I'm ever gonna do that again. So what's everybody's plans for July 4th? Let me know down in the comments. I think me and my granddaughter might work on a little collab something back here this weekend. I know y'all like seeing her on my channel. So I might let her do my makeup. We might do each other's makeup. I don't know what we're doing. We just love spending time together. She's so grown up. I love her so much. She's my baby. I'm going to go in with that was the Rephr 15. I don't have my brushes in order today, guys. Sorry. Then I'm going to go in with the Rose and Fin E28. And then just blend that in. Guys, have you ever heard of ThredUp? Well, I bought some used clothes from ThredUp. And they came, so they're in the washing machine. So I'm going to do like a try on with you guys. I might have to send one pair back. They're a little big. I wanted to wash them before I wear them because they didn't smell like they had been washed. But yeah, I got two cute little rompers. They're so cute. And then I'm going to go in with this color Angel Eyes. And I'm just going to deepen that crease just a little bit. Okay. And now I think I'm going to go in with, my Rose and Ben E29. And I'm going to go in with Say It's True. And I'm just going to kind of pat and swipe that above these other shades. So next, I think I'm going to go into Sky right here. ColourPop shadows are so dusty. And I'm going to put this right here in the outer part of my lid. We'll probably go in with the dark black or tonight and put that in the outer part of the lid. And I'm going in with my Rephr 14 because I want a little bit of a smaller brush to go into the outer part so I can get into them hooded eyes. So I'm just going to pack this about midway. So I'm just taking the E28 and patting that in. Now I'm going to start pulling back. I'll go over and catch up the other eye. Okay guys, I'm back. Now we are going to take that Rephr 14 and we're going to dip into Smoked Out, which is a black. We're just going to deepen this outer third. I'm keeping it right here in the outer third. And I'm going to bring it up in like a half a C. And then bring it back just a little. Just to deepen it a little bit. Okay, now I'm going to go back into my E28. And just tap that out. I think I'm going to go into Angel Eyes. I'm just picking up this Sigma brush. I'm just going to place this right here at the edge of that just to help blend and lighten a bit. Okay, so now I'm going to go in, and I haven't done my face yet, guys. I was going to leave it till last. I'm going to go into Like Heaven. I'm going to put that down first. And it's not a shimmer. It is a muted white. Like a khaki, light khaki. And then I'm going to go into I Love, that one. I said I wasn't going to do shimmer, but I am. I can't stay away from the shimmer, guys. I can't help it. Sorry if you can hear my washing machine. Now I'm going to take, I'm going to clean that off. I'm going to switch this off. And I'm going to go back into this Sky. And bring a little bit this way. I'm going to take my Rose and Ben E28. Just to kind of fix the end of that crease. So I took a pink, which is on the edge, and I just placed it right there at the edge of the white and where the other one started to alone. Just kind of clean this part up right here, and I did swish off my brush. Make sure my shimmer didn't get... Okay, let me finish my face, clean up, throw on some mascara, and then I'll be right back. I'm back. So for the under eye, I went into my... I couldn't pick between the two, so I went into my Natasha Denona into Grove, and I put that under the bottom lash line, and then I went in with that dark black, and in the corners I used my KVD tattoo liner, and now we are going to spray a brush. We're going to go into the Jacqueline Extra, and we're going to do the inner corner and the brow bone. I usually take the back of the brush and kind of blend that out. And then we'll do the other side. Usually it has enough left on it. So this, and my lip is Gerard Cosmetics Bel Air lip liner and Honeymoon hydra matte lipstick. Never wore this by itself, the Honeymoon. It's gorgeous. I love it. I love it. And then we're going to spray the face with our Gerard Cosmetics Grace highlighter. And we're going to pat it out, not to disturb anything. Then I'm going to grab my Complex Culture highlighter brush, go into my look at that wing, guys. And I did use the NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk for the waterline, the bottom waterline, so my eyes would be more open. I used the Bad Girl Bang for the bottom lashes and Merit Beauty for the top lashes in Perfect Black. And I do have a code and a link for Merit Beauty, Clean Beauty. I will leave that down in the description as well. My link tree will be down in the description where all of my affiliate links, shopping links are at my Amazon storefront. And I have been putting my Cash App and stuff down in the description for a long time. I've just never mentioned it. But if you ever want to give to this channel where I don't make money, where I'm not monetized, for me to purchase things to review for you, just leave it in the comments that you sent something and what you want me to review, and I will be more than happy to go and get it and review for you if you would like. If you're not great with makeup and you just want to see what it would look like, if we have similar skin tones, if you want to see me use it, I'll be more than happy to do that for you guys. But don't feel obligated that you have to. I know a lot of channels do that, and I've been putting it down there for a long time, but it's all the way at the very bottom. of the description box, but it's always there. If you ever want something reviewed, let me know. I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial with the Smoke and Roses palette. I hope you love the look. And if you like it, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed to this channel and you like makeup and beauty related content from a mature Southern lady, then please hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you don't miss a beat. And I will see you in the next one. Stay blessed.